Jingle bells, oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
Oh, jeez. Look at this place.
Yeah, isn't it festive?
It looks like Santa threw up in here.
Ah, don't be such a bah-humbug. You need a little Christmas now.
I don't celebrate Christmas.
What? Since when?
Since always.
But last year I bought you like 10 Christmas presents.
Yeah, you did.
If you don't celebrate Christmas, well, why did you accept them?
Why would I stop anyone from buying me nice things?
You took advantage of me, Barney.
Never. Who am I to ruin your gift-giving experience? I didn't stop you from spending money because I truly care about your feelings, Kyle.
Really?
Yes, and this year, make sure to put all the gift receipts in the bag.
Ah, you're a great friend.
It's the holiday season, bud.
So you think there's a chance you might get something for me this year, Barney?
How about the gift of advice? Kyle, put all those decorations in the garbage.
What? Barney, you don't know anything about Christmas. These are the best decorations you can get. And the holly really makes the red ornaments pop, too.
You're right. I don't know Christmas. But I sure do know poison ivy when I see it.
What? Ah!
Don't worry, there's a cream for that. Merry Itchmas!